So, the equations for velocity are y equals initial velocity times time plus half of gravity times time squared. And x equals v of x times time. And this is the key. T equals time, which is 3.2 seconds. G equals gravity, which is 9.8 grams. V of x equals velocity in x direction. V of y equals initial velocity and x equals distance. And this is what we'll be using to show this. So, the equation when solving for gravity is y equals initial velocity times time plus 4.9 times time squared. And the vector is that. Now to solve for v of x. First, you take v of x times time equals x. You solve for x, which was 40.234 yards, and time, which is 3.2 times vx. Then you divide both sides by 3.2 and get v of x equals 12.57 yards per second, or 28 miles per hour, which is then the x-axis. Then you solve for v of y, and v of y equals a tangent of 50, which is the degree of angle of launch, times 28, which is the x value. And you get v of y equals 33.3 or 14.86 meters per second. And that's how it looks on the vector. And then you solve for y, and y equals v initial velocity times time plus 4.9 times time squared, and then y equals 14.86 meters per second times 3.2 plus 4.9 times 10.42, and that comes out to be that. And then final answer, y equals 98.61, which is the height of the ball at its highest point. So all the math put together on the vector should look like this. And that's how you solve a vector problem using physics.